All right, we're gonna see if Nikita can climb up this thing again. Climb up it and go down. All right, Lexa, look. Nikita, look. Here's your frisbee. And she just totally climbed up it and climbed back down it. Nikita, come here. Nikita, come. Let's do it again. Give. Okay. Hey, Alexa, no, baby, stay away, please. I'm gonna throw it up there to you, okay? Go get it, Kita. Get it. Go get it. All right, take it back up there, please. Nikita, go up and get it. Go. All right.